Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy using an easy method. Let's start by gathering our simple ingredients. This recipe is perfect for beginners and yields a rich, flavorful gravy that complements many dishes. You'll be surprised how quickly you can create a delicious sauce from scratch. We'll cover everything from the basic components to the final simmering, ensuring your gravy is smooth and perfectly seasoned every time. Get ready to elevate your meals with this fantastic, easy-to-follow recipe. For this easy gravy, you'll need just a few key items. First, grab 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, which forms the base of our roux. Next, have 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour ready to thicken the sauce. You'll also need 1½ cups of your favorite broth. Chicken, beef, or vegetable all work wonderfully. Finally, make sure you have salt and freshly ground black pepper on hand to season your gravy perfectly to your liking. Let's get cooking. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat until it's fully liquid. Then, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, stirring continuously for about 1 minute to create a smooth, light brown roux. Slowly pour in 1½ cups of broth, whisking constantly to prevent lumps. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, continuing to stir until the gravy thickens to your desired consistency, usually about 5 to 7 minutes. To ensure your gravy is absolutely perfect, remember to taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. If you prefer a thicker gravy, simply let it simmer for a few extra minutes, stirring occasionally. For a thinner consistency, you can add a splash more broth. This delicious, homemade gravy is best served warm over mashed potatoes, roasted meats, or even biscuits. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.